Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to show the bookmark bar on Google Chrome. So once you're inside Google Chrome, guys, let me go ahead and first go to a website. So let's type in, for example, FC Barcelona, right? And let's say I visit the FC Barcelona website and I want to bookmark this web page, right? So all I have to do is just simply click on the bookmark icon on the uppermost right hand side of the search bar and simple click and bookmark. Now you want before you bookmark, you want to ensure that you choose, for example, bookmark bar. If you want to create a folder, it's really up to you. For the purpose here, I'm going to just keep it simple and choose bookmark bar. Click and done. Now as you can see, immediately it shows on the bookmark bar, but not all the time the Google Chrome is going to show it by default on the bookmark bar. So in case you're not able to see the bookmark bar here, all you have to do is just simply click the three dots on the upper right hand side, go down to where it says bookmarks. You'll find bookmark and list, and here you'll have the option where it says hide bookmark bar. In case you are not seeing it, it will say show, so you want to click on it, go down to bookmark and list, and you'll have the option that says show bookmark bar, and it's going to go ahead and show the bookmark bar for you, and it will go ahead and show the bookmark bar for you. And that's how to go ahead and show bookmark bar in Google Chrome.